Who was the Prime Minister of England when India became free? Ramsay MacDonald, Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, or Bonar Law? And the correct answer is Clement Attlee. Where was Gandhi when India became free? Delhi, London, East Pakistan, or West Pakistan? And the correct answer is East Pakistan. Who was called a coolie lawyer in South Africa? M.A. Jinnah, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, or Tej Bahadur Sabha? And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The twin principles of Ram Rajya associated with Gandhian philosophy were prohibition and abolition of associated, Khadi and Charkha, truth and ahimsa, or right means and right ends? And the correct answer is truth and ahimsa. Who said without Hinduism, India has no future? Kasturba Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, or all of the above? And the correct answer is Annie Besant. Which lady became the first president of Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu, Kasturba Gandhi, Sucheta Kriplani, or Annie Besant? And the correct answer is Annie Besant. What is December 27, 1885 famous for? Battle of Panipat, first session of Indian National Congress, first war of independence, or none of the above? And the correct answer is first session of Indian National Congress. Who killed the Gandhi and where? Nathuram Vivek Godse in New Delhi, Nathuram Vinayak Godse in New Delhi, Nathuram Vinayak Godse in London, or none of the above? And the correct answer is Nathuram Vinayak Godse in New Delhi. Who is the hero of Quit India movement? Mahatma Gandhi, Jay Prakash Narayan, Bipin Chandra Pal, or Lala Lajpat Rai? And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Watch our other videos. If you like these videos, support us, like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.